How to find penny items in Walmart. Let's get started. Today, we are talking about how to find those elusive penny items, things that ring up for just 1 cent. It's a rare find, but with these tips, you can increase your chances of uncovering hidden gems. Use a Walmart's app barcode scanner. Simply scan items you think might be marked down and check the price right on your phone. It's quick, easy, and perfect for clearing out the confusion around clearance tags. Speaking of tags, look for the yellow clearance signs in those aisles and check in caps and seasonal sections. These are often gold mines for deals, but remember you'll need to scan to verify if it's really a penny. Next, keep an eye on rollback items. While they won't always go straight to a penny, you never know when you will spot one of a deep discount. To increase your chances, check this store during restocking times, usually early mornings or late nights. That's when they are clearing out older stock and those items might just reach penny status. Also, you can join penny shopping groups on Facebook or other online communities. They are a goldmine for up-to-date info on where to find penny deals at Walmart. Finding penny items takes patience and persistence. But with these tricks in your pocket, you'll be ready for the hunt. Make sure to scan, check those clearance aisles, and stay tuned to what's coming out and going on sale. Drop a comment if you have found a penny item and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insider shopping tips. Thanks for watching.